Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you're watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, this particular video is going to be very useful, okay? Because so far we have covered somewhere around 9 to 12 series, right? With a different product. It could be on Trellix, endpoint security, DLP, encryption, Veritas, Symantec, Sophos, and so on, right? But after watching all the videos, you guys are understanding how exactly the product gets implemented in a real environment. You can say production environment, right? As well as if you want to test anything, then that is also you can do it using all the videos which is available on the video our YouTube channel, right? But the fact is, when you exactly initiate the communication, right, with let's say one of the customer or with your management itself, right, but you don't know how exactly the things get started, what are the documents required so that everything will get aligned as per business requirement. So that is what I'm going to cover here. So whenever you start any implementation, you may have to create one small presentation if you are starting from the scratch and you want your management to know, okay, what exactly you are doing or your basic concept. Or else if everything is already been aligned, then the next thing you will have to do is you have to create the scope, which is SOW, right? Scope of work, or you can say plan of action. That is also have a shortcut of POA. Okay, so these are the two things you would require, where you are basically capturing what is your current environment, right? You are analyzing your environment, so how exactly it can be done. Then second is your architecture. So the new product or existing product which you are going to fine tune or implement any fresh product, how exactly that aligns with your existing environment. Okay, so how exactly the architecture can be configured. So this is what also I'm going to cover in this particular documentation section. Now third one is your steps. So what are the steps you are going to perform in the entire implementation? Like very first you are going to download the software, then what are the permissions required, where exactly you are going to keep, how exactly you are going to install this software, okay, what are the policies you are going to configure. So everything has to be an outline in your scope of work document, step by step. Okay, then the ownership, like who is going to perform that particular task. So that particular ownership has to be on yourself or on the customer, or let's say client, or is there any different teams are involved to whom that particular settings has to be configured. So that this particular structure, like scope of work, step by step your plan, that is also very important. And the last one is issue tracker. So during the entire implementation, what are the issues you have faced, how exactly you have tackled, because that is also calculated as your case study, right? And in the SOW, right, you will also have to mention that what are the use cases you are going to configure, so that once your implementation or POC is completed, then you will be able to showcase those documents as a proof of concept. Based on that, you will be able to ask for sign off. Right, so what are the documents required? So I'm going to make all documents available for you. Okay, and guys, if you are also interested in getting those documents, then no issues, you will get my contact number directly on my YouTube channel homepage. Just open your YouTube and go to the homepage of technicalspark.com, right? Once you are at the homepage, you click on these 4 links, and there you will find my contact, WhatsApp number, Telegram group, all contact details are available, right? You can just go there and ping me and I'll share you that document. But for that, okay, I'll just tell you one thing. Before you message me, you just have to make sure that you are a VIP member, because for VIP member, I'm directly giving all the documents, one document every month. So make sure before you message me, you are a VIP member, and once you become the VIP member, then you can simply take a screenshot or just confirm your name with me on my Telegram channel or on WhatsApp, and I'll directly share that particular document link with you. And after that, you will be able to carry out your implementation smoothly without any hassle. Because same document I have used in my multiple project, and I can assure you that nobody can stop you if you follow those particular document. Okay, and because in theoretically everything is covered there, and when you try to implement, if you are stuck anywhere, then also you will be able to refer my videos. Okay, so that is one of the very good option which can help you to implement your product seamlessly. And I'm pretty sure that you guys may be interested to know more exactly what are the documents are available. Okay, so for that, let me just share my screen and show you all the things step by step, so that based on your requirement you will be able to request those documents to me directly, right? So yeah, let's go to the screen. Hey guys, so here are the document which is I'm talking in this entire video. Okay, and this is divided into the two parts. One is pro member and one is VIP member. Okay, and guys, before I showcase the document, I really want you guys to watch this video completely. Do not skip any of this part. All through this is going to be very longer video, but the information which you get in this entire video, that will be very much valuable. So I really want you guys to stick with this. And initially we'll start with the pro members. Okay, because so many people are joining with the insider pro member. So after insider, the next level is pro. So once you become the pro member, what exactly you will get? So apart from videos, fast reply, as well as on-demand video, these are the document which you will get. Okay, so when I go to the templates, so here you can see there are some of the products available. So when you, let's say, when you plan for any implementation, right, so you have to prepare your scope of work, and this is one of the format like existing environment. Okay, so you can enter your whatever the customer says about their environment or whatever you study. Okay, you can enter all this information here. Then the requirement, what exactly the customer asks, your prerequisite hardware, software, network, so all the prerequisites you can mention in this template. And then your project plan. Okay, how exactly you could write down all through. When you become VIP member, I have one detailed plan, but just to get started with you guys, I have just mentioned here pro member plan. Okay, now let's go to the server sizing template. What exactly we have in this? So whenever you plan for any server, so currently I'm staying in Pune, so that's the reason I have mentioned Pune data center. Okay, the platform, it could be your Windows, Linux, whatever it is, your server details, and then the configuration size. So there are multiple things are available. Okay, so you can also add this as per your requirement. So this is just a sample for your reference. Now, proof of concept sample. So when you do a POC, POV, okay, so at that time you can use this type of sample, guys. Okay, this is very much informative, guys. You can enter all the things. Whenever you start with the POC, you can share this with customer to gather the information. This is very, very useful, guys. Although I have lots of document like this. Okay, now let me just close this. And project sign up report. So whenever you work on any of the project, so this type of report which you can share with your customers. Okay, so whatever the task activities which you have performed, you can mention everything, and at the end you can fill this, sign and provide the stamp and share with customer, and then he will sign back and provide to you, which has the PO date, PO number, as well as your information filled in. Correct? So this will help you for the documentation purpose. Now POC questionnaire. So in POC questionnaire, again you will get this type of template where you can get the answers of your questions from the customer. Now let me close this. Handover checklist. So whenever one of the technician is leaving your company, so what exactly you can expect from that particular engineer to hand over. So these are the things which you can share with that person, and then he will make sure that all the documents or appropriate things are already been placed and given or handed over to the teams. Then whether you are asking them to create any additional document or like this, okay, you can ask them to create document and give the document name, and accordingly you can fill this entire sheet. This is just not a one sheet, so there are multiple things. Okay, so whatever he is doing, he can fill this entire sheet and give it to you or your manager. Now DSR report. This again is a kind of same, whatever you are doing on day-to-day basis. You can add if you want one additional column as a date, or it's not required since you already tracking everything on the SOW. But when you share with customer, you can just share this one-liner item, and every week or every 15 days or a month, depends on the project duration, you can discuss on the SOW. This is just a comparison sheet where I have notified each and every component of the DLP product, and he given the comparison like McAfee, nowadays it's a Trellix, then Symantec, and Forcepoint. Earlier it called as a WebSense. Now going back, attendance record. Okay, so many people who are starting very much freshly and they don't know how to fill the attendance, especially when they work as a third party. So they can use this one of the simple format P means present, week off, sick leave, casual leave, like this holiday. So you can mention in such a way. Now let's go back. So these are the few templates available. All through guys, I'm not getting much time to work on this, but I will keep add new document in this folder. Okay. Now resume sample. So if you know that recently I have shared 5-6 this few of the resume samples in my Telegram group. Okay, so make sure that you are join my Telegram channel. The name is again same, Telegram. You can just go to the Telegram and search for this channel name and you will be able to join. Okay, and this that group is completely open, so anybody can raise their question and get the answers. Okay, so just help each other. Now so many people are struggling with their CV, right? Because if you don't have proper CV, then it's very difficult for you guys to rank in the bigger MNCs. Okay, so considering that only, here I have given 100 plus resume samples. All through I'll be going to edit those as and when I'll get time. So yeah, these are the samples. I'm not going to open each and every document, but this is just for your reference guys, how exactly the resume should look like. These are all single pages, but based on your experience and everything, you can keep add the more and more data. So it should not go more than 2 or 3 pages guys. Okay, so these are just a sample, and the interesting thing is these are all in Word format, so you can edit the way you want. Okay, and this all resume looks very much professional guys, believe me. Now let's go back. So we have covered templates and resume samples, right? Now we'll go to the networking concept. So these are just a couple of documents which I have personally created, so I just thought to share with you. Here is just one of the document. Okay, this is for the IPv4, which will give you the complete information. Also I'll be adding more data, don't worry. Now interview preparation. So actually there is a note, I'm just considering few of the MNCs, okay, for which I'm just creating the question, what exactly normally ask the questions, right? So based on that, I'm just preparing the document, and I'll also mentioning the source from where exactly I have got this information, so it will be always helpful for you. So this is just a one company, and as you could see, there's unfiltered data on which I'm already working. Okay, so here again I have multiple companies data available. Okay, so I'll be filtering that and sharing with you very soon. So this is one of the benefit. Now exam dump. So here again I have almost 20 to 30 exam dumps. Okay, so right now I just put it for shared for the Symantec endpoint protection, but yeah, I'll be going further. As soon as I'll get a time, I'll be adding more and more exam sets here. Okay, so which you go on the open market, then they are costing somewhere around 4,000, 5,000 or whatever the money it is, right? So I'll just make you available for in a very much cheaper price, or you can say it's almost free. If you just become pro member, then by default you will get access to all the videos, and along with that you will get access of all these contents. Okay, so this is going to be very useful. So for an example, I'll just open this Word file, and here you will see there's so many questions are available, correct? Now let me close this. And here again, if I open the screenshot, here again real time actual your POV centers questions are available guys here. Okay, let me just open this. See, this is one of the Symantec question, right? So you don't have to struggle when I'm here. Okay, now let's go back. So these are the few of the documents which I'll be providing to the pro members. Okay, and as I explained earlier, once you become member, you have to let me know that, hey Sohan, I have become member, please share the document, and then I'll share this document with you. Okay, and it will be accessible until and unless you are active member on the channel. Okay, now let's go to the VIP membership folder. So what exactly the VIP members will get? So this DFA presentation document I'm not going to explain again, because in DLP series I have already explained how exactly this document works, because these documents are very useful, and the people who actually do the DFA data flow analysis for the clients, they charge hell lot of money guys. So even if you just master into this DFA, then also you will be able to work independently, because it provides a really good amount. Now let's go to the implementation document. So this is where the magic happens guys. Okay, so as you could see, almost 28 product documents which I have right now. I'll be adding another 15 to 20 products more, but it will take some time. Okay, so let's start with our very much favorite topic, that is Symantec DLP. This is one of my very favorite product. So let's say if I want to open the Symantec DLP project document, then here is a game. As you could see guys, I have covered almost each and everything in the headlines. Let me just scroll down. See, this is complete format guys. Okay, how exactly I have implemented, what are the things I have covered. Also it could be on older version, but yeah, the steps almost same. So how exactly when I was working as an engineer, okay, how exactly I used to create the diagrams, then share with the customer, plan, architecture, everything, or how many servers are required, everything is available here guys. Okay, so I'll just fast just scroll down so that you will get. So this is basically initially I was installing the Oracle license, then your enforcers, everything is available. And it's almost step-by-step configuration guys. Okay, in the console also, how exactly I'm activating the license, configuring the SMTP, AD integration, DLP, policy configuration, role configuration, everything is available guys. DLP plugin, attributes, because so many people are struggling. Okay, policy creation, how exactly the policy can be created, right? How to configure the policies. These are the properties. This is, and everything is very much detailed guys. Okay, and there are multiple policies I have covered here, so you can see. And this is almost how many pages? 119 pages. So this is going to be very useful in your, if you are working on the Symantec DLP board. See, all the configuration is available. Project sign up, I'm not going into the very much detail for the sign up, because this is very normal template. Then scope of work, DLP, AMC, SOW. So this type of document which I have. Now Symantec, right? ATP, how to exactly configure or install ATP. Then here are the steps and everything. Okay, with screenshot guide, because these are documents are prepared by me. So I know how exactly this the engineer requires the documentation. And I'll again say, even if you get this document, just keep this document with you guys. Okay, do not share with anyone, because we should not share this document to anybody. When we need to share the document with the customer, you can just replace the PO of the screenshot and only share the process installation document, which means how to install the application of that, whatever the application you are using, how exactly it can be installed. You can share only those details, not the complete details. Policy configuration, everything you can just keep with you. Okay, so let's go to the, let's say Sophos Central. So how exactly Sophos Central can be implemented. So let me open that and show you. So this is also again 39 pages document, and the format follows the same. See, each and every screenshot and everything is available here guys. You can always check out what exactly I have covered in the headings, titles. Okay, policy configuration, everything is there. Right, now let me close this. Again, Sophos Central SOW. So how exactly you can configure the SOW, like existing environment, requirement, architecture, project plan, how exactly you are going to configure the this particular product step by step, who's the responsibility, who is going to do what. Then again your system requirement and issue tracker. Now again let me go back. So we have covered, okay, Symantec Endpoint Protection Manager. So here is I have one of the document. So project document SCPM, and here let's go down. See, this is also again complete step by step installation configuration. Okay, and the benefit of all this document is guys, once you have this document, okay, and then you refer my videos which is available on the channel, then you will be able to understand very much properly. Okay, and you don't have to ask help to anybody. Okay, that much of useful these documents are. Now let me just cancel this. Let's go back. So we have covered this one. Now let's go to the SIM Trellix. Okay, so how exactly the SIM will be installed. Trellix SIM guys. Now here again, how to install your ESM server, ELM server, this type of information available. Okay, you can check out here. Your major focus should be on the headings guys, what exactly I have covered in this video, because going through the each and every document step by step is not possible for me. otherwise our video will become very long. So these are the architecture. Will not go into the lower design, LLD, HLD. Then again I have one of the document for the IBM QRadar server. So how exactly IBM QRadar SIM can be installed. Now here you can check out the screenshot because this is completely Linux based. So that's the reason you are seeing this type of screenshots. Okay, configuration, everything is available. And it's very interesting, guys. Okay, because it took me a really lot of time to implement this entire product. And this is the architecture, okay, for which the entire configuration entire document shows. Now okay, let's leave this. Now let's go to the SIM architecture. So if you want to implement ArcSat SIM, then for that also here are the documents. So on whichever product you guys are interested, okay, what you can do, you can just note down that product name and you can request me the document. Okay, now Radware SLB. So we haven't covered any Radware series yet, but let me just show you how exactly the Radware configuration you can do. So here it is the how exactly I have configured. Here are the all the information. Now, and this is the architecture, okay, which I have prepared for one of my client with screenshot, how exactly configured and so on. Here there are lots of things. If I start explaining, then I guess the session will go for 5-6 hours. Then here another document for the manage engine, and the product name is Desktop Central. So let me just scroll down. How exactly I have configured the this Desktop Central. Desktop Central, guys, basically used for the patching. Okay, let me just scroll down, and here again I have included all the steps, policy configuration, UAT setup, everything I have covered, guys. The critical information which captured here, I have just made it hidden because I cannot share any critical sensitive information with you guys, right? Like IP address. Now let me go back again. AD manager. So AD manager, we just have the scope of work document. For CrowdStrike, I just have project management document. Let me open that for you. This is very short document, guys, but the actual document I'm going to add, but that is very long and it may take some time. So that's the reason I've just holded that, but very soon I'll add that document. Okay, so this is just for your information. Now let me go back in Barracuda email security. Also I just have the scope of work, the actual document I have to add. Now let's scroll down and check out the other document. In ESG also, email security gateway, I have very short document. It's like it's just a POC and system prerequisite document. Now let's go down Trellix DLP. In Trellix DLP, I have worked for the multiple projects, so that's the reason I was able to add few of the documents here. Also, I have multiple 20 to 30 implementation I have just done for the Trellix DLP. So whatever I just found useful, so I just added those. So for an example, let me just open one of the document. And guys, it's just not cover the Trellix DLP. Okay, it's also cover the EPO as well. You can see Trellix EPO, drive encryption, FRP, DLP. So all these things are covered along with the screenshot. How exactly you can EPO install, then configure, policy configuration, everything. Each and every policy configuration is shown in this document. Okay, now let me go back. Okay, and there is other documents also available like Prerequisite and other stuffs. Similarly, if I go to the ENS again, we have same type of documents available. For just particularly for ENS, then for drive encryption and FRP, then again EPO, ENS, device control, and then we have exclusive documents. So guys, if you are completing 2+ months, then only I'll be able to share this Trellix exclusive project document with you guys. Okay, so make sure that you are continuous member of 2 months and you just newly enter the 3rd month. So total 3 months of membership required. You should be completed to receive this document, exclusive document. Now Trellix move. Okay, how exactly the move will be configured and everything. And then Apex Central. So Apex Central health checkup. So health checkup is also, guys, one of the very important thing, right? Because how exactly you do the health checkup, based on that only your organization health is depend. So if I open the Apex One health checkup document, then here you will get understand, okay, what are the things should be covered into the health checkup. Or let me just, you can just check out here, right? Server operating system, memory, resource utilization, SQL related things, whatever the schedulers related things, then detections, response, threat intel, directories, policies, right? Everything should be covered in your health checkup. Otherwise, if you miss anything, then later on you will face the challenge, because whenever any attack happens, and if you are the person who done the health checkup of that environment or supporting that environment, then you will be considered as a blame, because why you didn't share this information before doing the while you are performing the health checkup. So that's the reason health checkup is very important, and this is one of the SAT results. So when you do POC or anything, you have to capture the result that about explaining how exactly your product is working, or even if you are working for your organization, not the client, then also you have to conduct the this application testing every month or every quarter or every 6 months, right? Similarly, we have documents for the Apex One, now Trend Micro, deep discovery, deep inspection. So many documents are available, guys. Now if I go down, deep security again, one of my favorite topic. So here also I have implementation document, everything is there. Now let's go down, server protect for storage. Okay, how exactly it can be configured, but here just we have the SOW in Word as well as the Excel format. I haven't added the actual documents. Now yes server, smart protection server, how exactly you can do the health checkup and the SOW. Trend Micro worry free. I don't know how many of you Trend Micro worry free, but it was quite trending product when I was working earlier. Now here again backup, Veritas backup exists. So I have just added few of the documents, but later on I'll just keep filling the documents. Now Veritas DLO, SOW. So these are the few of the documents which you will get once you become the VIP member. If you need the entire folder of any product, then you must be VIP member, because only VIP member will get the documents. And guys, if you need any document, okay, then what exactly you have to do? You can become VIP member, and for initial month you will be able to ask for any document, any instruction document. You can simply become VIP member and ask for the document, and once you complete first month, then in second month I'll be able to provide the entire folder with you, whichever you want, any one. Okay, and in third month I'll be able to share the exclusive documents, like in Trend Micro also I have one of the exclusive folder that I'll entirely share with you. Then for Trellix also I have some exclusive document which contains lots of information, right? So inside the Trellix exclusive folder you will see 24 items are available, and it contains a hell lot of data, guys. So based on your requirement and your member duration, you will get the benefit of this document. And as I said, I'll be keep filling or adding the more and more content to this particular folders. Okay, and this will be available in YouTube library. Okay, also it will not be directly accessible to you guys. So based on this video and document which I have shown you, you can become a member and then request the documents. Okay, without membership these things will not be entertained, because to create a document it took lots of efforts. Okay, and that I know everything I'm going to make available for you. So what I need is you should be member to qualify for this document. And if in case if you don't know how to become member, okay, to get this access of document, so let me just show you in a short. So guys, once you visit the YouTube, then what exactly you will have to do? You have to search for Technical Spark. You can directly go to my channel. Okay, then here is the Technical Spark channel available. So open that. Okay, once you open, then here are the link. Okay, youtube.com. so you will have to click on this and 4 links. Okay, so once you click there, then here you will get the option, okay, become a member. Click on that, and if you have any queries while joining, you can always reach out to me on the Telegram channel, and in that Telegram channel you can DM to this group owner, which is me, Sohan Gole, or you can connect me on the WhatsApp. So whichever is the active number you will always find on this particular channel, you can always connect with me on that using this number or link. Now let's click on this become member to unlock all videos. So it's just not all videos, the document as well, guys. So let me click on that. So once you click on this particular become a member, then this type of web page will open. Okay, and here are the benefits. So we have couple of membership available. One is supporter, second is insider, third is pro, and fourth is VIP. So let me just scroll down. Okay, so in pro, what exactly you will get? So you will get early access to new videos. So guys, I always run at least 1 month backup videos, so that and those get published 2 video every week. So once you become member, you will get access to all the unpublished videos. Okay, and this is another type of membership where you can just show your support. Now second one is insider. So in insider membership, you will get access to all the videos which is restricted, right? The second one is priority reply to comments and members only live stream. So these are the 3 benefits you will get. And if you ever want to learn more, you can always click on these particular perks. Okay, so exactly you will get what exactly you can expect from this membership, right? Now let's click on the pro membership. So as I mentioned, let me just expand this. So in members only polls, you will be able to participate, because whenever I end any series, I always create one poll where lots of people share their interests, and based on that I create or plan the next series. Now the next one is pro member document. So the document which I have explained, okay, that you will get with the help of this pro membership. And the third option is on demand video before series end. So if I'm working on any series, okay, so before that series end, then you have to let me know that which video you will be interested. Okay, and if I get a couple of people's response for or request for the same video, then I'll create one dedicated video for you guys. But after series end, then yeah, this will not help. So since you are a member, so you will get the early access to all the videos, so you have chance to request me to create any video. Now VIP members. So in VIP members, what exactly you will get? You will get the photos and status update, as well as the implementation document set. But the only thing is, every month you will get one document, any one document, and once you complete 2 months, then you will get that entire folder. And for exclusive documents which I have shown, there are 2 to 3 folders available where the exclusive documents are kept. Okay, those you will get in the 3rd month. Okay, and for that you will have to let me know that, hey Sohan, I have become your member, so I will validate your membership and then share the document with you. Okay, and the another benefit, that is implementation guidance and consultation. So let's say you are implementing one of the product for one of the security product for one of the client, or just for your company, and you would like to discuss with me on any of the security solutions on which we have created the video series, then we can have one-on-one session for maximum of 1 hour, and we can discuss the challenges. Okay, or whether whatever the support you require from my end, that is I'll provide you during that 1 hour meeting. So that much of benefits you will get when you become member. And once you decided okay which membership you would like to join, then you just simply need to click on join button. So hopefully guys, now all the queries has been clear, that how exactly you can become a member, and what exactly documents you will be able to get it from me, right? So just take the benefit of all the documents which I have shown, and if you have any queries, then feel free to reach out to me on the Telegram as well as on the WhatsApp. And guys, please avoid directly calling me, because I'm not always be available. But yeah, when you message me, I'll definitely respond. And whenever I think okay this is really critical or required inputs, that time only you guys can think to call me. Okay, so hopefully guys you have found this particular video useful as always. And if yes, then please click on the like button, and don't forget to share and subscribe, so that other members can also take the benefit of this documentation. So that's it guys, this is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.